Hello everyone, welcome to this Solotica Aquarella Cambuci Green versus Rio Jade comparison. So my left eye is the Cambuci Green and then my right eye is the Rio Jade. So very similar in design and patterning, but the color is probably the main difference of these lenses. The Cambuci Green does look brighter and more vibrant, and it's very warm toned. There is a very strong yellow undertone with the Cambuci Green, whereas the Rio Jade does also have a yellow undertone, but it's much more mellow and toned down compared to the Cambuci Green. And the Rio Jade has tones of turquoise, or they did put a little bit of blue mixed in with there to even out the green. So it really depends on the green tone that you're looking for. I would say the Cambuci Green, because it's so bright and so warm toned, it's very exotic looking, whereas the Jade is also quite exotic looking, but not as. It's sort of a little bit more toned down and a little bit more subtle, I would say. Both of these lenses are hydrocore, so no real limbal ring design, and they both have a very blunt pupil hole, so do keep that in mind. I always recommend this style of lens for those with very dark brown eyes. They're going to suit very dark brown eyes the best, I think. The Cambuci Green are quarterly lenses, so they last 3 months, and they are $50 US per prescription pair. And the yearlies are $80 US per prescription pair. And if you use my discount code Danica10, you can save money while you shop with Solotica.com. If you guys want to see the entire Aquarella collection, I'll link it in the end screen right now. It's all 6 colors that Solotica just released recently, and so yeah, if you want to see that whole collection, check that video out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next. Bye.